Hey, what's up YouTube? Christine with Gauge Girl Training here, bringing you another brief video, and I actually just came from the gym. I wanted to talk about, very briefly, overcoming self-consciousness at the gym. So let's get started. All right, so I have a lot of clients that have shared with me that whether they're a beginner or whether they haven't worked out in a long time, it depends on what it is, have shared with me that they get self-conscious at the gym, they feel uncomfortable, and it's really impacting their ability to get good workouts in. And this is what I have to say to you guys. It is your workout. It is your gym membership. Nobody is better than anybody else at that gym. You are paying for the same membership. You have the right to use every single piece of equipment there. No one is more important than anybody else. Number one, get that straight and know that you are just as empowered to use any single piece of equipment in the gym. And I think that sometimes at the gym, you feel like people are looking at you. You guys, people are not looking at you. Everybody is literally so wrapped up in themselves that they literally do not care. And I know you think the people are looking at you. They're not. I swear to you, they are not. If you need a machine and someone's on that machine, you could either you could wait, or you can just go up to that person and be like, hey, how many sets you have left? And they'll tell you. That'll obviously give you a gauge of how much time you have left. Or you could be like, hey, all right, well, let's say they have 3 sets left. You'd be like, hey, do you mind if I work in with you? And that's a great way to just start getting over some of that fear. If you're just completely brand new, I do recommend that you do get a personal trainer for at least 1 or 2 sessions to show you how to do some of the machines and some of the moves. But other than that, you guys, be empowered to use your gym membership. Nobody is better than anybody else. There is no such thing as a VIP member at the gym. And just because some people might be grunting and screaming and throwing the weights and doing whatever, so be it. Don't let that intimidate you. And if you're lifting something and you feel like you need to grunt or drop an F-bomb or whatever, so be it. It's your workout, so get the most out of it. But I do have a few tips to help you overcome being self-conscious. Tip number 1, wear headphones. I find that once you wear headphones, get some good music on, get in your zone, it really just helps you focus, it helps you concentrate, it helps you tune everybody else out. Another thing that helps me, believe it or not, is a hat. If I'm wearing a baseball cap, headphones in, I'm not really making eye contact with anyone, I'm just there to get my workout done, get in, get out, boom. Other thing to get the most out of your workout at the gym and stop being so self-conscious is don't worry so much about what you look like. If you feel self-conscious that what you're wearing is, I don't know, people are gonna look at you, then I would recommend don't wear clothes that could potentially make you feel self-conscious. So for instance, if you don't feel super confident about certain body parts, then there's nothing wrong with wearing a sweatshirt and baggier sweatpants until you feel comfortable. If you don't feel that something is flattering on your physique, it's not gonna make you feel good about yourself. So I would recommend, you obviously don't need to spend a lot of money, but wear something that makes you feel comfortable. For some people, they want to wear something that's bright colors and makes them feel cute. Others want to wear something that's a little bit looser, a little bit baggier, a little bit more modest, and that's fine. Find something that makes you just feel comfortable. And last but not least, just focus on you. I'm telling you, nobody is worried about you. Everyone's worried about themselves. So a passing glance, it's not all about you. And I just encourage you guys, if that's a fear for some of you guys, to get over yourself, because no one's thinking about you. It's your workout, you need to get it done. I really hope this just encourages and inspires somebody who might be on the fence and just feeling a little weird about the gym, just to get over that self-consciousness and start taking baby steps to improving. So thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.